and it won't be long before this little one's ready to go. A fly just went past a minute ago and she already wanted to jump on it. Yeah, you pull on that. I think she's in that naughty little teenager stage. And as you can see, Lexi's still obsessed. Yep, she's just had a bit of honey. I reckon that's made her a bit hyper. I reckon she's going to be wanting to go out for a fly any minute now. I've left that open. I just can't believe how quickly she has grown. Yeah, she's getting excited. I have to be very careful to make sure that none of the cats are inside while she has a bit of a fly around. Such a lovely day today. Yeah, that's the sound they make. I've got quite a lot of wattle birds in the area. Look at her. Oh, look at you. Oh, what's that stuck to you? Oh, a feather's stuck to the honey on her beak. Oh, better help her out. Oh, look at you. Yes. Get, pull it off. Good girl. Yes. That's it. Well done. Smart little cookie. I just can't believe their natural instincts. It's amazing. Anyway, that's it for today. We're in the studio again. Still working on a few things. I can't really show you any at the moment. Anyway, enjoy your day.